What is up, guys? Welcome to Dive In Garage. Does your engine have a phantom oil leak you just can't find? You got looking on the ground, there's nothing, or on the engine, there's nothing there, but you're still blowing smoke out of your exhaust? That can be pretty frustrating, and I think I have the solution for you. Let's dive in. So I'm working on this cylinder head right here, getting all the dirty work, and so we can get it nice and cleaned up and ready for reassembly. And one thing I'm going to be doing is cutting the valve guides for Viton seals. Now this here is a regular umbrella style seal that you'll find on most small block Chevys, and honestly they suck. So they harden, they wear out, and then they start leaking oil down the valve stem into the combustion chamber, creating that smoke that you don't want. So what we're going to be doing is changing it to this style. Now this is a Viton seal. You can tell it's blue, a bit better construction, different material altogether. But you can't just jam them on there. You got to machine the guides for that. I know that sounds scary, but all you need is a drill and an arbor and the right cutting guide. Let's check it out. So this is a tool we're going to be using, made by Comp Cams. It's super easy. This arbor right here goes inside of your valve guide, just like that. And then the cutting tool shapes the guide for the size and shape it needs to be. And it really is that easy. You put it in there, fire up the drill, you send it, it goes pretty quick, and then you're done. So I'll show you a couple. I'm using a little bit of this cutting fluid just on the outside, give it some lubrication. All right, so you got the tool on there nice and tight, and you got the arbor goes into the valve guide. And remember, your valve guides need to be straight, true, and the proper size. This is for an 11/32 guide. And if yours are out of whack, check the description for a link to how to fix that. Anyway, you got that, you fire up the drill, make sure it's nice and straight, and send it. That's it, nice and quick. You don't have to worry about going too deep or any of that. The guide will stop you. All right, a bit different view. The arbor right in the valve guide there. That's it. Well guys, if you like this video or if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. And if you did enjoy the video, help me out by hitting the like button, hit the subscribe button. Get out there and dive in your next project. Catch you next time.